Good afternoon or morning wherever you are on the planet from a beautiful provincial park here in Canada. And just a few minutes ago I had the privilege of meeting 3 people from Brazil. And how did this happen? Well, I was listening to the fact that they were speaking a different language that wasn't quite Spanish, and I happen to know a little bit of Brazilian Portuguese, so I simply asked them, "Excuse me, are you speaking Brazilian Portuguese?" And they said in English to me, yes, we are. And of course, we got into a conversation. And I offer this as a suggestion that if you're in Canada, the United States, the UK, like many countries around the world where lots of people speak lots of different languages, and you hear these languages when you're out and about, as they'd say in Canada, when you're out in your day-to-day happenings, tune into them. And even if you don't speak the language, you can ask the person, hey, are you speaking Mandarin? Or, hey, are you speaking Japanese? Because usually if they're traveling in your country, they'll have some knowledge or maybe even be fluent in the local language, in this case English in Canada, and you'll be able to get into a conversation. But in particular, if you do speak another language, or 2 or 3, then use those languages as your foot in the door to have conversations with people and see where those conversations take you. So that's my tip for today on how to meet people from Talk to More People from some beautiful place in Canada. Wishing you well. Take care.